Hey YouTube, just wanted to do a quick installation video for wheel spacers, pretty much for any vehicle. There's a couple things that I tend to not see covered in videos. First one is when you're installing a wheel spacer, it's very important to clean your hub or your rotor to have a nice flat surface. Wire wheel is good, or any other kind of scrub brush, and then use anti-seize on the back as well. Second is in terms of preventing the rotor from spinning while you torque it down, you have a couple methods. One is you have a person who can just apply the brake. The second is you can take a screwdriver or some other metal piece and then install that in the vanes in the rotor here so it can support that. Now on a rear rotor or rotors that are thin and don't have those, there's another method, and that would be to use some kind of a bar. I like to put the lugs back on so it doesn't damage the threads at all, and to wedge that in between here, so therefore when you go to torque it, it creates a stop point. And then the final thing is in terms of re-torquing lugs, they say to do that. Many places don't really cover this, but it's best to take your wheel off and retorque these after 100 miles, not just your wheels. And then, of course, again, another 100 miles after reinstalling your wheels, torque those as well. All right, hope that helps.